Hello all, welcome back to my channel. Since Diwali और करवा चौथ season is already here, आज हम आपको दिखाएंगे कैरेटलेन हॉल वीडियो. With all the lockdown going on, आजकल markets में जाना तो kind of impossible हो गया है. And I was a bit skeptical about purchasing jewelry online, but कैरेटलेन के purchase के बाद I think मेरी ये perception पूरी तरह से बदल गई है. The first good thing about कैरेटलेन is the app is really user friendly. If you see the app, इसमें सारे डिजाइन आपको बहुत इजीली मिल जाते हैं. इट्स वेरी यूजर फ्रेंडली, द ऑप्शंस आर नाइस एंड इनके दिवाली ऑफर्स चल रहे हैं विद सम फ्लैट 20% ऑफ एंड 5% इंस्टेंट कैशबैक ऑन सम कार्ड्स. And also it's my birthday month, so I got a special 10% discount on diamond jewelry and a 5% discount on gold jewelry. The best thing that I found about CaratLane was the packaging. It comes in a very beautiful lavender colored box. It's a tin box, and even for a small earring which I purchased, they provide a very cute packaging, and it came all wrapped up in a bubble wrap, and then there was a big cardboard box of it, so it's kind of very safe. And when the delivery executive comes, they ask for your ID or a 4-digit pin so that it gets delivered to you. And the good part about CaratLane is, like, if you want to go and just kind of look out at the options that are available at the market, you must be feeling that online the products, the size is not very accurate, and sometimes the image shown is a very zoomed in image of the product. So they also have a try at home option available, which is free of cost. You can add up to 5 products in your cart, and they can come at your doorstep and they can show you the designs. And in my experience, they even brought some of the similar designs. Like, I ordered a bracelet for a try at home, and they got me 4 other designs of the similar ones which I might like. So that was a very good service. So coming back to the packaging, it comes in this lavender box, and when you open it, this is the kind of packaging they provide. A very cute shade of purple. And this packaging, in my experience, that what I have seen is it's kind of similar for all the products. It's not that if you're buying something really expensive, then only you will get this kind of packaging. I think it's a standard thing, and you get a bill. And in one of my orders, I also even received a mail that there was a weight difference during the making, and the product price was actually less than what I paid for. So I actually got a refund of rupees 900, which is a very good service, which I was not expecting at the first stage. Starting with our first product, this is Shania drop earrings. They are made in 14 karat gold and with IJSI diamonds. So it's a very beautiful piece of earrings, and the length is also quite nice, and I'll show it to you when I wear all of these. So the good part about it is how intricate the design is, and luckily I got some very great discount on the making charges. So I think what I actually paid was the gold and diamond cost effectively. This is my second purchase from CaratLane. These are 3-star diamond stud earrings. So let's have a look. It comes with the bill and this packaging, which is similar to the earlier product. And these are those beautiful stud earrings. So I got this one a bit customized, and instead of IJSI diamonds, I used the GHVVS diamonds. So definitely the cost was increased, but I think the good part is you can select it, and this customization option is really good. And these are very budget friendly, and like for youngsters and working women, these are very go-to earrings. You can just wear them in your office daily. Even I wear them on a daily basis. So all the jewelry is they have very unique designs, and they're very Indo-Western kind of thing. It goes along with my Western as well as Indian outfits. This is my third purchase from CaratLane during this lockdown period, And these are very pretty Elsa drop earrings. So it has a very cute ruby stone and a very small pearl in between. These are made in 14 karat gold. And it's a very trendy design. It can go well with your dresses as well as some Indian outfits. And you can wear it to your work or a date maybe. So I find these earrings really cute, and the moment I purchased these earrings, these went out of stock. I don't know whether it's still available or not. And also I think I bought it for about 6,600, and when I actually received the product, I got a mail and an invoice saying that there's a difference of 975 rupees in the making, and I got a refund in another 2-3 days. So I think this was a very good service which I was not expecting in the first place. So I think this makes me love CaratLane even more. Final product for today's CaratLane haul. I ordered a ring and the name is Cherry Heart Twine Ring. Along with this came a certificate of authenticity. You can see all the details, the gold weight, the product design, everything is mentioned on this card. This card is really nice. I'm wondering why it did not come with all of my products. So also with CaratLane you get a special message and you can tag them on Instagram if you wear one of their products. So let me just show you this ring. It's a beautiful ring set in 18 karat gold and with IGSI diamonds. You can order them in different sizes. They also provide a 15 days exchange and return. Like, I feel this ring is not fitting me very nicely. I think it's a bit tight, so I might just get it exchanged or a full refund. I also talked to the CaratLane executives. I think the good part about this website is that they are very customer friendly. Like, I called and there was an executive on the line immediately. They guided me through all the procedures, and they even arrange a call back if you're not able to contact them. Every communication is done on the email also, so you won't have any problem in returning or exchanging a product. And one more thing is that if you go to the app and find a product, there's an option of check in the available locations. So if you find that it's in a store nearby you, you can just call them and they'll send the product video and a photo on your personal WhatsApp. So that's a very good service. All about my CaratLane purchases till now, and I cannot wait to get back to my app and scroll through some more designs. And also, since the Karwa Chauth and Diwali season is coming up, I also saw offer that for Karwa Chauth you get 1-day delivery, so you can just open the product and check your pin code, that how many days it is taking, depending on whether you want to gift it to someone and you want to get it delivered at some particular date. So this was all about the CaratLane story. If you have any of these similar products that you bought from CaratLane, do share it with me by tagging it on your Instagram handle. And if you like this video of CaratLane haul, don't forget to like and comment, and do subscribe my channel and tell me what kind of products would you like to see in my upcoming videos. See you next time. Bye bye.